Are you a beginner Unity game developer feeling overwhelmed and frustrated? Do you find yourself constantly getting stuck and unable to make progress on your game? Do you feel like you are stuck in a tutorial hell with no end in sight? Do you struggle with understanding the best practices and end up with hard to read code? Do you want to create engaging game mechanics but just don't know where to start? And is Unity itself start to feel like more of an obstacle than a handy tool? If any of this sounds familiar, then you are not alone. As a professional software developer, I understand the challenges that beginner developers face, and I'm here to help. In my coaching sessions for Unity developers, we will cover fundamentals of the game development and best practices, while also diving into more advanced topics like gameplay mechanics and code optimization. With my guidance and support, you will be able to overcome those common pitfalls and confidently create the game of your dreams. So if you're ready to stop getting stuck and start seeing Unity as a powerful tool and ready to discover how to write high quality code and use engaging game mechanics, then join me in my Unity coaching sessions. Let's take your game development skills to the next level and finish your dream game.